Sure. My presentation focused on the issues that we face on a daily basis at the land unit in Kahnawake, and the issue of the additions to reserve process, the ATR process, which is a very lengthy process. Right now we are currently in that process in regards to the lands at the end of the Old Chateauguay Road, and we've been involved in that for several years now, and the entire process for any native community can take anywhere from 5 to 10 years to complete. So it's a very long, lengthy process. It's outdated. It should not even be part of the deal today. It shouldn't be in discussions with anybody, certainly not us. You know, we never gave up the land. We never sold the land. It was just taken. So I don't understand why we have to argue or fight to get it back. You know, so that was one of the issues that I really try to hit home with. Kind of keep in mind that the presentation was very limited. It was very structured to 10 minutes. Followed by an hour and 50 minutes of question and answer period. Kahnawake kind of dominated the question and answer period. Myself, with the help of our Associate Director of Lands, Debbie Morris, I think we did a fantastic job. My presentation was well done because of her involvement, along with Melanie Gilbert, Director of Lands at our lands unit. So another one of the issues that we had was land transfers, and the issue about land transfer. Although we didn't really get involved too much in that one, what we did was we were hoping to be invited back to Ottawa to present further, because 10 minutes is not a long time to put out a presentation. And the other issue we had was land leases, lengthy land leases such as 100-year leases, which we currently have in the community, and the problems that we face in terms of accountability and in terms of us actually having access and or control over our lands, and not a minister, a man sitting in Ottawa deciding what is good or what is bad for Kahnawake. So those are like a few of the issues that we had to talk about, along with economic development problems, and what we face is, for example, again, the ATR process, which, we argued the point that we should be able to use these lands. They are coming back. Quebec has agreed, Ottawa has agreed to accept this to go into the ATR process. So we don't feel we need to be waiting 5 to 10 years to utilize. If that's their process, well, let it continue in the background, but let us use our lands today, if not yesterday. I received a lot of business cards from key people who have committed to coming to Kahnawake, a lot of the opposition members, and as a resource, we collected a lot of names and a lot of important people in Ottawa, a lot of Shakers. So they promised to help us, to help push our cause. So, I think it was I said earlier, it was a home run for Kahnawake, and I'm confident that as a result of our presentation to the standing committee, that things will roll a lot faster.